Start a YouTube channel now. Why? Because of our life experiences. Starting a YouTube channel after 40 is a great idea because you have real life experience, stories, and skills that others can learn from. Many people are looking for honest, helpful, and relatable content, something you can offer. You've accumulated a lot of knowledge and experiences that younger people may not have. It's also a fun way to connect with others, try something new, and even make extra income. No matter your age, it's never too late to start something exciting. My channel, Track Me Down, is your go-to spot for everything food. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Entering your 40s often brings a desire for creative expression, especially when personal and professional identities shift. YouTube offers a perfect platform to explore passions, connect with like-minded individuals, with people worldwide. One of YouTube's biggest benefits is the community aspect. Creators find their niche and build a network of followers who share similar interests and backgrounds. YouTube isn't just about sharing videos, it's also a platform where creators can earn income. With consistent content creation, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Even channels with modest followings can attract brand deals and generate revenue. Starting a YouTube channel requires learning new skills, from video editing to storytelling and digital marketing. This process fosters personal and professional growth, keeping your mind engaged and adaptable in this digital era. Older creators often bring a level of authenticity and relatability that younger influencers may lack. Your genuine approach can attract viewers who appreciate real stories and practical advice over flashy trends. When I was growing up, I wish I had this opportunity. Technology was just beginning to enter our home. Most homes still relied on analog devices like rotary phones, typewriters, and vinyl records. Entertainment often meant gathering around the television or playing board games. Owning a computer and using internet was a distant dream. Communication was primarily face-to-face or through landline phones and postal mail. The idea of creating and sharing content with a global audience was unimaginable. By the 1990s, technology had started to make its way into everyday life. The internet became available to the public. Dial-up connection and mobile phones shrank from the size of bricks to more portable devices. However, these technologies were still emerging, and many people were just beginning to explore their potential. Even creating and sharing content online was still a complex task. Most people didn't have the tools or knowledge to produce videos. The idea of a personal YouTube channel was nearly impossible. Smartphones, laptops, and high-speed internet are appearing. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram allow anyone with a camera and an idea to share their voice with the world. Advancements in technology have made content creation more accessible than ever. Smartphones and editing software enable you to produce high-quality videos without spending a lot of money. Right now, my Samsung phone is better than any camera or camcorder. In the 90s or 2000s, I can film 4K videos on my phone and have the tools to create amazing videos and content for a fraction of the price. You can go anywhere on top of a mountain, forest, lake, talk and say what you want and go home, edit your video, post it on your YouTube channel, and there's a chance it might go viral with millions of views. Most videos don't go viral, but at least you made a good video. Maybe a few 100,000 people will see your video and like it. Then they want to see more of your video, making a name of yourself. Create content that love and enjoy. Even if no one watched in the beginning, look back at your videos, what makes the views watch, what they like, the content you provide, the intro, the film them, whatever you do, you gotta improve. Learn from your mistakes, eventually you will get better and better. We are living in most advancing period in time than ever before. Opportunities all over the place, you just have to find it. Starting a YouTube channel isn't just for younger people, it's for anyone with a story to tell. While we may not have had the technology growing up, we now live in an era where creating and sharing content is within everyone's reach. Your experiences and insights are valuable. Don't let the past hold you back from embracing the digital future. The 1980s television was a shared family experience, often centered around a small TV set. Most households had access to only a handful of channels, typically around 12. These included major networks like NBC, ABC, and CBS, along with a few local stations. Changing the channel meant getting up from the couch and turning the dial or pressing buttons on the TV set, or making your younger sibling get up to change it. Remote controls were a luxury item and not as common. Shows aired at specific times, and viewers had to plan their schedules around them. Missing a show often meant waiting for a rerun. If you missed a show, you missed it. There was no way to watch it later unless it was rebroadcasted. The 1980s also witnessed the rise of cable television, which introduced channels like MTV, ESPN, HBO, and Super Channel. It was very expensive back then. Advancements in enhanced picture and sound quality, providing a better viewing experience. The widespread adoption of remote controls made it more convenient to switch between channels without leaving the couch. Videocassette recorders allowed viewers to record shows and watch them later. Then everything changed. Remember Blockbuster Video? They were very popular in the 1990s because it perfectly aligned with how people consumed entertainment. At the time, before digital streaming and on-demand content existed, Blockbuster was a product of its time. It dominated in an era where physical media was king, and the idea of movie night revolved around a trip to a local store. I still remember saving all my change from my lunch money, and on Friday nights few of my friends get together. We pool our money together to get some snacks, rent a few new release movies. Fun times. It offered the best experience available until technology changed the rules. Fast forward to today, and the television experience has been revolutionized. Platforms like YouTube, Netflix, and Crave offer a huge list of content that can be accessed anytime, anywhere. Missed a show? No problem. You can watch it on your schedule, thanks to the flexibility of streaming. Modern TVs and streaming devices like Roku and Apple TV provide easy access to a multitude of channels and services. With the internet, viewers have access to content from around the world, broadening their entertainment options. Given this technological evolution, now is an excellent time to start your own YouTube channel. Here's why: with smartphones and affordable equipment, creating and uploading videos has never been easier. YouTube's vast reach allows you to connect with viewers worldwide, sharing your unique perspective and content. You have control over your content, schedule, and style, enabling you to express yourself authentically. As your channel grows, you can explore various revenue streams, including ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Reflecting on the limited options of the 1980s, it's incredible to see how technology has transformed the way we consume television. Starting a YouTube channel today allows you to be part of this dynamic landscape, sharing your voice and creativity with the world. My channel, Track Me Down, is the place to learn how to cook simple, delicious meals on a budget. I'll show you easy recipes, smart tips, and ways to save money on food and groceries without sacrificing flavor. Perfect for beginners, busy people, or anyone looking to eat well for less. Hit subscribe and let's make great food without the high cost. Remember, starting a YouTube channel after 40 is not just about creating videos, it's about sharing your unique journey, connecting with others, and embracing new opportunities. Your experiences and perspectives are valuable assets that can inspire and impact a global audience. So, why wait? Start a YouTube channel now. Don't forget to subscribe and let's start cooking together.